If YouTube TV is not showing your local channels, it's usually caused by home area issues, location settings, or network conflicts. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your home area, open YouTube TV, tap your profile icon, and go to Settings. Select Area, then Home Area. Make sure your home area is set correctly. You must be connected to your home Wi-Fi to update this location. Step 2. Enable location permissions. YouTube TV needs accurate location access to load local channels. On mobile, go to Settings, open Privacy, select Location Services, and allow YouTube TV to access your location. On smart TVs, check your device's system settings for location permissions and enable them for apps. Without location access, YouTube TV cannot provide local stations. Step 3. Restart your device power off your smart TV, streaming device, phone, or tablet. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. A reboot refreshes your connection and often restores missing local channels. Step 4. Check your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable and not using a VPN or proxy. VPNs often mask your actual location, which prevents YouTube TV from detecting your home area correctly. Step 5. Update the YouTube TV app. Outdated app versions may fail to load your local channels. Update the YouTube TV app through your device's app store, then relaunch it. After completing these steps, your local channels should appear in the live guide and be available for DVR recordings. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.